loves speeding along his line with the wind blowing across his
What happened?
You've broken the record. Will you shut up? Speed for speed. We lie. Sir Topham had arrived with news of a special for Thomas. Take it to the. Just like when you blow up a balloon and let it go.
Big balloons make my boiler bubble, Thomas.
Right.
Thomas arrived at the docks, excited to see the
Big Mickey!
It was shiny and
Shiny and shiny and shiny and shiny and shiny and shiny, shiny.
Pretty, shiny.
hurry up, Huff Thomas. This is a special
I don't care!
Uh-oh. The jet engine was rocketing Thomas up the track. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Screamed Thomas, and indeed, he did not.
Clear the lines! It's a runaway train! Signals were switched, and points were changed. Thomas had never been... Thomas flew by James, now rocketed.
Rocketed.